Hello guys, I am Shahid and today in this video I will show you how to add text and titles. So let's start. First open Filmora X. I will import some file for showing you. If you want to add titles, you can see here add title, click on it, and here you can see some titles. Now if you want to see a preview of these titles, you can double click on it. It will show you a preview. I will show you some titles. So if you see this download icon here, that means it's not downloaded yet. And if we double click on it, it will start downloading. Now you can use these titles also. Now you have to select which title you want in your video. After selecting, drop it down to timeline. Double click on text and it will select it. Now if you want to move this text, you can move also. Now double click one more time and it will show this window. Now you can edit text from here. Now if you want to change font, text size or style, you can change it from here. Here you can select a text font. And if you want to change size, you can change it from here. And style from here. If you want your text bold, italic, you can select it from here. After all settings, click OK. And now we will see how it look like. If I want text in middle of my video, first I select the text. So if I want this text, I will drop it down and then we'll edit the text. And then we will see how it looks like. So today we have learned how to add text and titles. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you want to learn Filmora X or other softwares, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for never miss any of my update. Thanks for watching.